In another video, I showed you how to create these and how to stage them and whatnot. So now we're going to do the actual overlay of a design onto that. So I'm going to just go into File and then Import, okay? So we're going to import a picture. I've just gone into my SVGs and matching PNGs. They're all in here by themes. I'm pretty organized, as you can see. It's pretty anal for some people. They laugh at me, but it just makes it really easy for me to be able to find what I'm looking for. So I'm going to hit Canadian, and then I'm going to scroll through to find a design that I like. And I think on this one I'm going to do the PEI. Where's my PEI peeps? Where are ya? I know there is one here. PEI, there it is. So I'm going to drop that in. I'm going to click open, and it's going to insert this in for me. Now it's going to be too big for this, so obviously we have to size it. I'm going to drop it in and just keep sizing until it's approximate. So I think that's pretty good. I'm going to up the screen a little bit, just enlarge it, just so you can see better. Now you can see that the overlay is a lot darker than the black in the picture in the frame, right? So we don't want that. We want it to be lifelike, realistic, what it would look like if it was actually there. So I am just going to go to the opacity, and I'm going to adjust it. I'm just going to adjust it down a little bit. And as you'll see, it'll start adjusting the opacity in this. Now that one's a little bit too light. So that's pretty good. That's pretty identical to what the frame is. So I'm going to leave that. And now I'm going to drop my logo in over top. Now normally I would drop my own business logo on top of that. You're going to drop your own logo on top of it. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and I do have an Aunty Crafty one that I'm just going to drop in for now. And it's just a PNG file. Now, she's huge, so I'm going to resize her until I get her to the size that I want. Whoops, hold on. Bear with me while I get her down in size. Okay, so basically this is what you're just going to play around with it. Now, when I drop a logo in, I prefer to have it sitting just over the work. And in some cases, see how you can see how her hand is sitting over the actual design a little bit? That's even more, that helps to keep it more secure from being stolen, as far as someone taking the pictures and using them as your own and putting their logo on it, because they'd have to cover up part of this as well. I mean, it's not going to stop, people from doing it, but it will at least help a little bit. It'll deter some anyways, that's for sure. So there we go. So now we're going to just highlight everything and group. So I'm just going to hit export, and I'm going to export as, and then I'm going to name it and just put it on my desktop, save it as, I'm just putting ABC for now. And then you'll have a few different options. Oh, and this one actually you don't. So this one you can just export it as a PNG file and hit save, and then click export again. Okay, so hit export. So that is now putting it to my desktop, and I'm just going to open it now. There we go. And there's the picture. So I can upload that picture now to my business page. And I'll put a blurb with it. If you want, you can even add text in here, price, something, a little tagline or something. It's up to you. But that's how easy it is to do that. And it's going to save you from having to waste a lot of product. In my case, here's the canvas. I have several blank canvases made up. They're not actually stapled onto the back or anything. It's just done by two-sided tape. And it's folded at the back, so no one knows the difference that it's actual and that it's not actually been made. Okay, and there you go. If you have any questions or more requests, just let me know. Have a great day, all. Bye.